Hey guys, so I just got this brand new light for my garage area. This is going to allow me to see everything more clearly, be safer in my garage, getting my cars in and out, being able to have that extra light. And so I've got it in a box here as it came, and I want to open this up and just show you what all comes with it and how it's packaged. You've got the instruction manual here. You've got a wire with a clip on it, and then you've got the hook to mount the light, and then you've got the light right here. Now, as you can see, this is a very good sized light capable of putting off a lot of brightness. And I'm going to be using this hook here, which just screws into the top. It's got a set screw up here and down here. And then it's also got this clip here, which we can clip to the side of the unit just in case something were to happen and this would slip off, and then you would have a secondary safety device. So now that we've got everything hooked up, let me install it and show you just how bright it is. Alright, so as you can tell, this is incredibly bright. It is just fantastic. Really brightens up this space. I'm so very pleased with it. If you're looking for a great light to either put in an industrial area or put in your garage, this one right here is absolutely phenomenal. Really brightens up this space and then some. This could definitely be used in more industrial settings where you've got very tall ceilings. This is more than capable of shedding light down a long distance and making it so much easier to see and maneuver around in your large space. So if you're looking for a great light to brighten up any space, this one right here is high quality and very, very bright. I'd highly suggest checking into it.